Hello friends, now we are in attitude number 9 and that is most important attitude. Do you ready to submit yourself to your tutor, to your coach, your mentor? That is very important attitude or mindset we need to create in our mind. I am ready to devote myself or trust on my coach. I remember two stories. Number one, when a Chandragupta is a small boy, only Chanak can trust them. This guy can become the emperor of whole country. But if any teacher decided that particular boy will become the emperor of this country, it is possible to become an emperor of any country by a child? No. When Chandragupta devote his 100% faith on Chanakya, then he will become an emperor. That type of devotion is required. If your tutor say do this, it means there is no question, do this. Then you will get definitely a marvelous success in your life. I remember when I am learning this skill from Mr. Praveen Vadalkar sir, and I am not devoting my 100% to Praveen sir. Praveen sir says that you just learn one skill, then practice. Learn one method, then practice. Learn one technique, then practice. But what I decide? I decided to watch all the videos. After watching all the videos, then I decided to I practice or not. But what happened? I lost my time. I rewind all the videos from one to end. Then I decided to submit my 100% to Mr. Praveen sir. Then I decided to work hard. What he say, I do it. This type of devotion is required when we submit ourselves to our tutor, our coach, our mentor, then our success is guaranteed. So what attitude we need to create in our mind? We need to trust, we need to devote, we need to believe our teacher, our tutor, our mentor cannot do anything wrong with me, with us. So this attitude is most important when we are going to learn any skill. For example, if you decided to learn swimming, but you are not trusting to your swimming coach, then how it is possible to learn swimming? Because there is a matter of life and death in swimming. So what we need to do? We need to create a mindset. We learn, we practice, we follow the coach, we follow the instructions given by our mentor. So this is Dr. Ark signing out until we meet in next video.